The reason why we come up with this idea for our employees to be safer out on the road, we at least have the skid loader there to impact vehicle instead of standing out in the median or roadway. We also have a follow truck that follows behind, so lets other traffic members know that there's road construction going on. This splits from side to side, lets the sign or the delineator come right through. These weed eater heads weed eat around it. These wheels up front keep it from digging down into the dirt. We also have a cylinder here on the front side of our plate that lets that slide side to side so that we're able to move it. Instead of moving the skid steer and turning up the ground, we're also able to move that side to side. We also have an attachment here that we can put over our delineators in case we have one that's crooked or we're able to straighten it as we're right there without getting out of the vehicle. Down on plumbing for our hydraulic lines, we have a relief valve in case we get in a bind. It also lets the hydraulics bleed off, so less accidents is what we're trying to prevent.